Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Babymoov Duo Meal Station Gray, a versatile 6-in-1 baby food maker that streamlines your kitchen routine by combining steaming, blending, warming, and defrosting all in one powerful appliance. With its large 74-ounce capacity, you can prepare a week's worth of healthy and nutritious meals in just minutes, making it a time-saving hero for busy parents. Designed with your child's health in mind, this steamer and blender preserve essential nutrients, vitamins, and flavors, ensuring every bite supports your little one's growth and development. The intuitive controls and easy-to-read LCD display make meal prep a breeze, while the fully programmable settings and end-of-cycle alerts add convenience to your cooking experience. Plus, it doubles as a bottle warmer and sterilizer, eliminating the need for multiple appliances and keeping your kitchen clutter-free. Safety is a top priority, and the Babymoov Duo Meal Station is BPA, lead, and phthalate-free, and it's also dishwasher safe, ensuring a hygienic and effortless cleanup. Join us as we explore how this nutritionist-approved powerhouse can revolutionize your baby's mealtime and simplify your life. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.